Hello students, welcome all of you in the series of online classes and our today's topic is now children we were discussing exercise 12.2 in our previous video. Now let's see exercise 12.2 and I think in exercise 12.2 we have already discussed question number 1, 2 and 3. So we have discussed up to question number 3. So now taking the next question, that is question number 4. A triangle and parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the sides of the triangle are this and the parallelogram stands on the base this, find the height of the parallelogram. Here the see in question number 4. The sides of triangle are given. The sides of triangle are, what are sides given? 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter. And the question is saying that the area of a parallelogram is equal to the area of triangle. So now we have to first find the area of this triangle. To calculate the area of this triangle, we need to calculate S, which is semi-perimeter. So S equals to 26 plus 28 plus 30 by 2. When you add it together, it will be 14, 4 carry 1, 3 to 5, 5, 3, 8 by 2, which is 42 centimeter. Now area of triangle will become S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. Here S is your 42 into 42 minus A 26, 42 minus B that is 28, 42 minus 30 under root. Now simplifying it, 42 into 16 into 40, 12 minus 8, 4, 3 minus 2, 1, 14 into 12. So this is your, now try to make the pair. So we can write 42 as 3 into 14 plus into 16 can be written 4 into 4 into 14 into 12 can be written 3 into 2 into 2. Now what you observe that 3 is in pair, so take out 1 3 out. 14 is in also pair, so take out 14 out. 4 is also in pair, so take out 4. 14 already taken, 3 already taken, and now 2 is also in pair. So this is the area of triangle. When you multiply, you will have 14 4 ja 56, 56 into 6. So 56 into 6 will be 336 centimeter square will be the area of triangle. Now according to question, now come here. According to question, it is given that area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. So we have area of parallelogram, which we write in the short form like this, parallel and GM, is 336 centimeter square. And we know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base into height equals to 336. So base is given. Base of the parallelogram is given. Parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter. So base of the parallelogram is 28 centimeter and their corresponding height is to calculate. So your height will be 336 by 28. When you cancel it by 4, then you will have 7 and 4 8s are 32, 1 6, 4 4s are 16 and 12 7s are 24. So height of parallelogram will be 12 centimeter and this is your required answer. So children, in this question was saying that there is a triangle and a parallelogram on one side of the triangle having the same area. The area of triangle is equal to the area of parallelogram. And parallelogram stands on the side 28 centimeter. Now the question was asking to calculate the corresponding height of the parallelogram. So to calculate it, first we calculate the area of the triangle. We have all three sides of triangle, which is 26, 28 and 30. So first we calculate its value of S, that is semi-perimeter. And its semi-perimeter will be 26 plus 28 plus 30 by 2, which is 84 by 2, that is 42 centimeter. After getting the value for semi-perimeter, we apply the formula of area of triangle, which is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now, putting the out value 42, 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 30. So it becomes 42 into 42 minus 26 will be 16, 42 minus 28 will be 14, 42 minus 30, this is, no, correct, 42 minus 30 is 12. Now we try to make the pair of each numbers which lie within the square root. So 42 can be written as 3 into 14, 16 can be written as 4 into 4, 14 as it is, and 12 can be written into 3 into 2 into 2. So after seeing that 3 is in pair, 14 is in pair, 4 is in pair and 2 is in pair. So multiplying all it together, we got 336 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. And according to question, it was saying that the area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. So we got area of parallelogram. This is the symbol of writing parallelogram, parallel along with GM, 336 centimeter square. And we know that the formula for area of parallelogram is base into height, which is 3 equal to 336, and 28 into height will become 336, and when you divide it, so height will be 336 by 28, which will be equal to 12 centimeter, and this way you got the corresponding height of the parallelogram, which is 12 centimeter. So in this way your solution for this question has been completed. Now coming to the next question. Next question is saying that a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Let's see the question number 5. See question number 5 of exercise 12.2. This is question number 5. A rhombus shaped field. Draw a rhombus shaped field first. Rhombus is that thing whose all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Suppose this is the rhombus shaped field whose diagonals intersect each other perpendicularly. Okay? A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of rhombus is 30 meter, each side is given 30 meter. Okay? And its longer diagonal is 48. Longer diagonal is 48. Suppose this is longer diagonal, so diagonal divides each other, so it will be 24 centimeter. Now you are supposed to find the first area of this rhombus shaped field, and now you have to calculate how much area will get each cow, how much area of grass will get each cow for graze, to graze. यहाँ लिख रहा है स्टार्ट, लेट ABCD be a rhombus shaped grass field whose each side is of 30 centimeter and longer diagonal is of 48 centimeter. Here you know, since we know that diagonals of rhombus bisects each other perpendicularly. So OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD, and angle AOB equals to 90 degree. So now in triangle AOB, applying using Pythagoras theorem, then we can have AB square equals to OA square plus OB square. AB is 30 square equals to OA is 24 square plus OB square. which is 900 equals to 576 plus OBA square. Now simplifying it, OBA square will be equal to 900 minus 576, which will be 324. So OB will be equal to under root 324, which is 18 meter. It all given meter, not in centimeter. Okay. 30 centimeter or meter? Meter. Yes, everything is in meter, not in centimeter. So it is meter. So OB equals to BD equals to what? BD equals to twice of OB. That is 2 into 18 equals to 36 meter. Now we need to calculate the area of field. Area of field will be half into D1 into D2, which is the formula for the area of rhombus. D1 was 48 and D2 becomes 36. So this will go 24 times. So 36 into 24. That is 864 meter square. This is the area of the grass field of which cow has to graze. 18 cows has to graze. Now area of grass, each cow will get area of grass, each cow will graze equals to 864 by 18. 18 is the number of cows. So 18 5 ja 90. 18 4 ja 9 से काट 9 2 जा 18 and 9 9 जा 81 5 9 6 जा 2 48 centimeter square. 48 meter square. 12.2. Question number 5. Yes, 48 meter square is the correct answer for this question. So children, in this question, you have seen that the question was saying that ABCD is a rhombus-shaped field of green grass, whose each side were 30 meter, and one of the longer diagonal were given 48 centimeter. And now the grass in this field has to graze by 18 cows. Then you are supposed to find the area of grass each cow will graze. So first we apply the property of rhombus. First we write, let ABCD be a rhombus shaped grass field whose each side is of 30 meter and longer diagonal is of 48 meter. By the property of rhombus, we know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other perpendicularly. It means OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD, and angle AOB will be of 90 degree. Now, in triangle AOB, using Pythagoras theorem, we applied the Pythagoras theorem. So here hypotenuse is AB, this is your perpendicular and this is base. So AB square will be OA square plus OB square. AB was given 30 meter. So 30 square equals to 24 square plus OB square. 30 square is 900 equals to 24 square is 576 plus OB square. On solving it, we got OB square equals to 900 minus 576, which is equal to OB square equals to 324. Now, taking the square root of 324, which is equal to OB, we got 18 meter. And BD is twice of OB, so BD equals to 2 into OB, that is 2 into 18 by 36 meter. Now we apply the formula of rhombus to obtain the area of the grass field. So area of rhombus, we know that half into product of diagonal, that is D1 into D2. So half into 48 into 36. This 248 will go 24 times. So now 24 into 36, when you multiply, will you have 864 meter square is the total area of the rhombus shaped grass field. Now this grass of this area has to graze by 18 cows. So area of grass each cow will get equals to 864 by 18. On cancel it, we get 48 meter square, which is your required answer. It means that each cow will graze 48 meter square area of field for grazing for each cow. So students, I think this is for today. Practice these type of questions.